Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection. You already know that though, because you're on our channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video right now because you're gonna love it. One of the reasons that we moved to Vegas was all of the little road trips that you can do from Vegas. It's so accessible. Right now, we're in Laughlin, Nevada. From my driveway to the Harrah's Laughlin parking lot is 1 hour and 14 minutes. This is a nice little short getaway right on the Colorado River. In this video, we're bringing you a room tour in the newly renovated North Tower. You heard me correctly. If you've been here before, the North Tower was a mess. Long lines at the elevators, just a mess. Old rooms. This is fully redone, including the elevators. Let's check out this room. This is a luxury 1 king. All right, guys, so the bathrooms is pretty much the same, but they did do new mirrors, new fixtures and stuff. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, there's a brand new backlit mirror here. Really big and spacious. Absolutely love this. This is the same counter, but you know what? It's nice, spacious, clean. You got the commode right there. It is what it is. Check out this shower. They used to have these old ratty tubs in here. This is a really nice upgrade from what it used to be. Let's go check out the rest of the room. Here you've got your little mini closet. That's fine. You know what? I'd rather have this little closet in here than the big pieces of furniture that they used to have that just take up so much space in the room. Of course, you're safe. Now we get into the room. You've got this nice little like work/entertainment station here. Nice TV, new light fixtures, perfect, and storage right here. So typically, this is where the refrigerator would go, right in here. But it's a big empty space right there. For some reason, it's sitting over here. Not 100% why, but I do like that there's a complimentary refrigerator. And then you've got this big 1 king, low to the ground. How trendy and modern is Harrah's Laughlin getting? Look at this nice mirror headboard too back here. Now, it's brown and makes it look old, but it's a massive step up from what it used to be. And you also have complimentary coffee. And no, I know somebody's gonna ask about it because we get it all the time. There is no microwave in any hotel room in Laughlin or in Vegas, as far as Caesars properties. Now there's motels and different things around town that will have that, but these properties are not gonna have that. Now, this is why we come down here. And we happen to get a corner room. It's not a suite, it's the same size as all the other rooms, but it's a corner room. We've got 2 views of the Colorado River. One right here to the left, where you can see the Golden Nugget in the distance. And the strip. That's the strip down there, guys. And then you've got all Colorado River right here, Bullhead City, Arizona, right across the river. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. Again, if you haven't subscribed already, you made it to the end of the video, you're interested in travel, whether it's Laughlin or Vegas, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Give us a like. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. Also, hit us up on social media. We're Instagramming, we're TikToking, we're Facebooking, we're threading, we're everywhere. We're Ninth Island Connection. Check us out on Wednesdays as well, where we bring you guys a live update on what to expect that upcoming weekend. We go live between noon and 1 p.m. Vegas time. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.